A few weeks ago, we launched our CSC Pro at the UK Garage Bodyshop Event, and a few weeks later, we've delivered and installed the first one. So the CSC Pro is now using camera technology to measure not only distance, not only height, but also the geometry check of the vehicle. Through the diagnostic tool and the link to the CSC Pro, it gives you guided functionality from the minute you're setting up the vehicle all the way to getting the equipment set up, ready to press calibrate. It has the ability to check wheel alignment. You have all your physical panels now in one screen, and it rotates as well to 90-degree angles, including every manufacturer panel currently on the market for front camera calibration. The CSC Pro not only documents, but also records everything that we start from a diagnostic pre-scan all the way to a calibration and a post-scan, and keeping in line with the insurance industry requirements. You can't even create an error. It will not allow you to proceed to the next steps until you have got it 100% accurate. We have partnered with Auto Windscreens since 2018, and these key features that they look for is to give the consumer the best service possible. And with this digital ADAS system that we have, we are able to do so in a more speedy but more accurate way of calibrating. To find out more, log into Hella Tech World online and you'll be able to see all the information that we have of ADAS tools available on the market, as well as diagnostics and remote diagnostics and training.